Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. The Australian dollar advances above 73 cents after the RBA minutes this morning. The RBA said the board agreed to maintain highly accommodative seating as long as required. Also, the virus-induced downturn has been as severe as expected and indicated that monetary authorities wish for a weaker currency. At present, though, the supply is seen around 73.55, and no doubt the bears will probably come and ambush the market from there. Keep an eye, though, on these technicals, because if we do break above 73.55, that could lead up towards this region, which is around 74.15. However, we've been seeing supply from this region, so no doubt I do expect it again. Well, as the market slowly prepares itself for the Fed meeting as it begins today for 2 days, it is expected that they will keep rates as widely expected on hold. Overall, though, I do anticipate towards the level in the euro at 1.1925.35 to be rejected. This support level that becomes now the resistance is maintaining a pretty much strong cap, and with the indicator still negative from the MACD, but the RSI is a little bit overbought, I do anticipate the market should take a downturn and see the US dollar eventually recover. Dollar yen slipped underneath the 105.90 level and now looks towards the lower side of the range around 105 and possibly with a potential target of 104, which is this low around this rejection level. So I'm still holding a bear case, and you could even draw, if you'd like, a line that comes in to cap in the market here. So around this sort of level, around 106.15 to 45 area as a potential cap. Nevertheless, the RSI and MACD is negative. We're finding a little bit of support here at 127.5, and as we're just breaking above this trend, do be on your guard that the technicals have picked up somewhat and therefore could see a short-term recovery looking up towards the region of 129.15 to about 129.60-70, and then most probably see a reversal from there and look back towards 127.5. Beneath there gives us 125. Therefore, if that's the case with this inverted hammer and also with a slight inverted gravestone, or pretty much represents both as a potential caution that we are seeing a bit of recovery, especially with the divergence of the RSI as well. Therefore, with the pound recovering slightly, I do anticipate a move for sterling yen back towards the region of 136.95 and maybe a little bit higher around that 137.80 area with a cap around that 138. Moving on to gold, well, the divergence is slowly coming back into play, as you can see here, due to the weaker US dollar. I'm a little bit skeptical in terms of seeing any bullishness outside the range, above that is, of 75.85. Let's see how the market plays, though. It is quite encouraging at the moment that the bulls are coming back into play, as the many attempts towards 1,926 has failed. Finishing off with oil, well, I like to see this market respond a little bit more to the bull case. Although the RSI is picking up quite quickly, I do anticipate a move back to about 39.5 and reassess from there. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. Hope you enjoy the rest of the day.